Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can upload photos to your Google Drive from your cell phone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, write comments at the end of the video, and also be sure to put your likes. And let's get into this topic with you. Open Google Drive on your phone for this. Then choose a folder where you would like to upload your media files, or create one. In order to create a folder, in the bottom right corner, click on the plus sign. Next, create folder. And this is where you just need to name it, and then click on create. So, I already have a folder like this created. Go to your folder, and then also in the bottom right corner, click the plus sign again. Next, select Upload a file, photo or video. And here you can go to your files and select the ones that you would like to upload to your Google Drive. Let's say you can select all the photos and videos that you are comfortable with, and then click Upload. And as you can see, now every single media file, photo, or also video will show you how much it is uploading. If you go to your folder, you can see here a list of all your photos or videos on Google Drive that have already been uploaded. That's the simple way, friends, you will be able to upload photos to Google Drive from your mobile device. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please put your likes, write your comments, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.